What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving myself a men's short haircut, giving myself a mid fade, and toward the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys two different hairstyles that you can use with this haircut. And I already know I gotta go in and fix up the back and the middle of my head. Because I did a buzz cut a few months ago, all of the hair on the top of my head is just about level. So I kind of need to go in and angle my hair with the back being a little bit shorter than the front. So I'm just gonna be going in and doing slight scissor work toward the back and middle of my head to kind of give it that nice angle, making the front the longest and the back the shortest. So with that all being said, let's jump right into this mid-fade self haircut. To start off this mid fade, I'm going to be using my Chemi clippers. These are like $35 off Amazon, and I'm going to be going in with no guard and the lever completely closed, going up right to about my eyebrow length. And so now that the first guideline is complete on both sides of my head, I'm gonna go in, grab my clippers, and then I'm gonna open the lever completely, still with no guard on the clipper, and I'm just gonna go up about ½ an inch from this previous guideline. And so now that the first two guidelines are complete, we've got the no guard lever closed, no guard lever open. Now I'm just gonna go in and close the lever completely once more and then flick out this hard line. And so now I've got my number 1 guard on, and I'm going to be opening the lever all the way, and then I'm just going to be going up about ½ an inch to ¾ of an inch right here for the next guideline. So now using the half guard with the lever completely closed, I'm just gonna go in and use my corners as well as the flick out motion to knock out this hard line. So now using the number 2 guard with the lever completely open, I'm going to be going up maybe around ½ an inch again to about ¾ of an inch. But with this guideline using the number 2 guard, I'm going to be going up the head at like a 90-degree angle and somewhat flaring out. So I don't want to dig into the part line. I'm going to go straight up and away from the head because I want to keep this length here by the part line. So now I've got on the 1½ guard, and I'm going to be closing the lever completely and just flicking out this final hard line. Alright you guys, so I'm pretty much done the fade portion of the haircut. I think it looks pretty good. I've got it almost exactly how I want it. Now I just need to go in with my shears right in here and then kind of just give it that nice angle where the back portion is a little bit shorter than the front to give it that nice flow, that nice haircut look. And then I'm gonna go in, trim up my beard, just give it a nice beard fade, jump in the shower, and then show you guys these final 2 hairstyles. Alright you guys, so I just trimmed up the top back portion of my head. I gave myself a nice little beard fade, jumped in the shower. I'm all clean, there's no hair all over my head like there was before. So now I'm gonna go in and give myself 2 hairstyles. One's gonna be kind of a more chill, relaxed, messier hairstyle. And then the second one's gonna be more of a playful, fun, and I'm gonna lift my hair up and over, and it should look pretty nice. And so for the product that I'm going to be using the Hans de Foucault Claymation. One of the main reasons why I use Hans de Foucault's products is because they're paraben free, and of course this is a matte finish product and I always usually go for that matte look. So once we open it up, you grab about a pea-sized amount of product, just like this. Emulsify it like a crazy person in your hand, and then you're gonna just mess up your hair completely, going in all different directions. So don't feel discouraged to go through, mess up your hair, do what you gotta do, because you're gonna go in and style it as soon as you're done. The big thing here is just making sure you got the product throughout your entire hair. And if you feel like you need more, just grab a tiny bit more, do the same exact thing, and then you can start styling. One of the big things that I like to do is push my hair in the opposite direction than it usually styles in, and then when I want to lift it up, which I'll use for the second hairstyle, you'll see the difference. You'll have some nice volume by doing it like this. Hairstyle number 1, I can give it like a nice messy quiff type thing, something like this, something light, you know what I'm saying, something light, give it that nice quiff like this. So this is basically like a small little quiff, very tight, well kept, somewhat messy and picked apart on the top, but let me just show you a little 360 so you can see how it looks. And then for the second hairstyle, I'm going to be doing my normal hairstyle, which is pretty much just putting everything down and slightly to the left side of my head, and it's going to be basically like a somewhat messy comb over slash quiff in a way. Something where it's just slightly elevated in the front, slightly to the side, little messy part right in here. And then that's pretty much it. So this is kind of like, you know, I guess like a modern, relatively not clean cut, classic, I guess messy, comb over, quiff type thing, side sweep. So something like that. I don't know what the exact name is for this type of hairstyle, but I think it looks pretty good. And I think with the haircut itself, it really complements it and makes everything look really nice. So let me go ahead and show you the final 360 of the self haircut, and you guys can let me know what you guys think. Alright you guys, so that is the men's short hair mid-fade self haircut with 2 hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss one of my new weekly videos. And if you're interested in learning in much more detail than I went over in today's video on how to cut your own hair and save your time and save your money by not having to go to the barber shops and wait in those ridiculously long lines, trying to set up appointments and spending all of that money when you could really just be doing it at home at your convenience. So if any of you guys are interested, I'll leave my self-haircut course linked in the description down below and in the card section above. But that's pretty much all I've got for you guys today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!